phenomenon involving voices coming from the sky, the phenomenon known as the sky trumpets, or apocalyptic trumpets, has been reported in various parts of the world, where people claim to hear loud, trumpet-like noises emanating from the sky. These mysterious sounds are often described as eerie, otherworldly, and sometimes even unsettling. Here are some of the video where you can hear the strange sounds. Witnesses have reported hearing these sounds as if they were coming from nowhere. With no visible source, the sounds can vary in intensity, ranging from faint and distant to loud and reverberating. Some people have compared the noises to a trumpet or horn, while others describe them as a blend of rumbling, metallic, and mechanical tones. Reports of sky trumpets first gained attention in the early 2010s, with videos posted online from different locations around the globe, while some explanations have been proposed, including natural phenomena like atmospheric pressure changes or electromagnet activity. There is no definitive scientific consensus on the origin of these sounds. Skeptics suggest that some of the reported sky trumpet videos may be hoaxes or edited audio, while others argue that the sounds could be the result of human-made sources, such as industrial equipment or sonic booms. Despite attempts to explain the phenomenon, the eerie and unexplained nature of the sky trumpets continues to intrigue and mystify those who have experienced or heard about these strange sounds from the sky.